we've been able to work on a lot of different things with the pandemic, a tornado, other things here. But probably the biggest one would have been essentially doubling the size of a business park that we have here called the Transpark. For about 20 years, the park was around 900 acres. And in the last 24 months, we've more than doubled the acreage. And we've landed the second largest investment in Kentucky history, a $2 billion investment with 2,000 jobs and about 3 million square feet. That'll be really transformative. And that, fortunately for us, we've been very blessed. It comes on the heels of winning 20 different projects the year before. So it's sort of the icing on the cake that we built during the pandemic. So all that was done during the pandemic, which is pretty remarkable.